Where are you from?
Brazil.
Brazil. Brazil is very good for football.
But I'm speaking a little English.
Same here. I'm practicing English here.
Oh, is day tonight? Wait, no, sorry.
Yeah,
Uh,
I understand. Here is
today
morning here.
is morning. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Your country morning or night?
Night.
Okay. In my country, so many Brazilian supporter for football. Crazy supporter. You know that about my country. I'm from Bangladesh.
Mm-hmm. I understand. Português, entendeu?
Oh, you speak Portuguese?
Sim, eu falo português, but I speak a little English.
Okay, I'm also
I
practicing
understand
here.
something.
That's why I'm here
Yes.
for speaking English.
I love this. I love stay here because I'm practicing my English because I need to improve.
Yeah, same here. In my country, local
Yes.
area, that can't speak English, and that's why I'm here.
Oh, yeah.
In my country, local
All
language is
right.
Bengali. Everyone is speaking Bengali language.
Nice.
You speak Portuguese language, I'm right?
Yes. I'm speaking Portuguese.
Okay, teach me something in Portuguese language. If I want to say I love you, how can I say in Portuguese?
É, eu estou aqui para aprender inglês, pois gosto muito.
Oh, it's very tough
Entendeu?
for me, it's very difficult.
Se você entendeu alguma coisa,
Which language is easy, English or your Portuguese language?
oh, I prefer English.
Yeah, it's easy, I think, because it's the international language. If you want to other country people to communicate with them, you definitely know English language. I'm right?
Uh-huh. Tell me something in your language.
If you say I love you, it's in my language আমি তোমাকে ভালোবাসি.
Ah,
You can
this
repeat.
is very different.
Yeah, it's a very different. Let's start. আমি
আমি
তোমাকে ভালোবাসি.
ভালোবাসি.
It means I love you.
Very difficult. I love French, but I'm not saying.
So you are from Brazil. What's your favorite player?
Oh, volleyball. I
Volleyball.
love volleyball.
Okay, but my
Yes.
question was, what's your favorite football player?
Hockey. But I love Neymar too. You work in something?
Yeah, I work in a bank.
Bank.
Yeah, as a computer operator.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice.
Yeah, thank you. And what's your occupation? I mean, what are you doing for living?
I'm doing a hairdresser. Yes, and eyebrow.
Okay.